your work.
So my sister visited us back in 2016. She made this for us, and my son happens to love this dhokli. I wanted to make this before my son leaves to go to France to study abroad. This is my son Akhil, and he loves this dhokli. So I'm making this for him because he's leaving in a few days.
Okay, Vinita, what ingredients we are going to use for the first step?
We are going to use 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour, some turmeric, cumin seeds, red chili powder, salt to taste, oil, and some lukewarm water. So now we are going to make the dough. You are going to add salt to taste. This is about 1.5 teaspoons, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. This is Indian red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon. I like my food a little bit spicy. And then this is the vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons. You're going to mix everything. And then you're going to take your lukewarm water and you add it slowly. It takes a few rounds of adding water and kneading the dough to get into the right consistency.
Look at the color of this dough. It looks very nice.
It's ready. See how it doesn't stick to your hand?
Mm-hmm.
Tuver Lilva?
These are shelled pigeon peas.
Yes. And then salt to taste, Indian red chili powder, turmeric powder, whole cumin seeds, whole mustard seeds, hing, curry leaves. It could be used fresh or dried, fresh garlic, and fresh green chili chopped up, and of course the garam masala. And then you are also going to need 1 onion and few tomatoes and oil for the
sautéing.
Yes. I'm chopping this to add them into a pressure cooker. I will add 3 tablespoons of oil. I need the oil to heat up, so when you put the mustard seeds in it, you want them to pop like a popcorn. So mustard seeds are started to pop now. Then you are going to add about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in it and about half a teaspoon of hing.
Hing is Asafoetida.
And 5 to 7 curry leaves. Then you are going to add your finely chopped onion, garam masala. I would say this is about half a teaspoon. So I'm going to give this a quick rinse now. So I'm going to add this into my onions and tomato mixture. We are going to stir well. Let this saute for a few minutes before we add a lot of water. So our next step is, I used about 18 ounces of tuver lilva. In that I'm going to add 8 cups of water.
So is this cold water or warm?
It doesn't matter because this is going to come to boil anyways. So I'm going to turn it on high heat, let this boil for a few minutes. We are going to make the dough. The dough is ready. I'm going to make them into, I would say, about handful size balls. And then you roll them. You can roll them onto any surface using a rolling pin. So this is ready. My son brought me this heart-shaped cookie cutter. So we are going to try to make some of them in the heart shape. So what you do is you go ahead and start cutting them like you would cut sugar cookies. For this much dough, I had to repeat this at least 10 times. Then you're going to grab one edge. My son is going to help me put this in the boiling water. We keep rolling, cutting, and dropping them into the cooker until we are all done with the dough. Yay! We are all done. We are going to cook it for about 7 minutes. It's ready. Now I'm going to garnish it with some cilantro and lime juice.